Hi everyone, John Osipinski here, aka Lymph Man. I want to let you know that if you want to help anxiety, and anxiety can be anywhere from just a slight bit of anxiety that you have for things that you have to do during the day, little deadlines, or anxiety could be debilitating. So whether you have a little bit of anxiety or you have really debilitating anxiety where it ruins your life, you need to gain control over it. You need to be proactive. It's not enough just to take medication. Exercise has been shown to help anxiety more than medication. Many studies have coming out with this. And why does that happen? It's because when we exercise, we improve circulation and lymph flow in our body, which improves detoxification. So the lymphatic system becomes very important. And we have one little vessel on either side of your neck, tiny vessel that has to handle the fluid, fats, and waste from thousands of lymph vessels in your head and in your body. Everything has to come right here. And when we've had a lot of stress, we've had some trauma, we have tight shoulders, we've had a lot of dental work, our lymph system will actually, instead of coming down in our superficial lymph system and inside of our head, it will back up. And backing up, it will create a backup of cerebrospinal fluid in your head, and your cerebrospinal fluid is what cleans your brain. And research has shown that your lymphatic system is the system that must absorb cerebrospinal fluid. So if you're congested anywhere in this area, then your head and your face and your even sinuses and your brain can really have problems. We don't function as well. Our cells don't function as well when our lymphatic system is not functioning. So tonight we're having a live. It's Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern. You can go on Zoom or Facebook. You'll see some other posts on that. And we need to understand this basic information. It's really devastating our lives, not just anxiety. It's about depression, it's about panic disorders, acne. So many people have acne that really just, they can't get rid of it, and they take medications that are horrendous, that dry them out, and not only their skin, but also a lot of these medications have been shown to lead to depression and further anxiety. If you have sinus issues, they just found nasopharyngeal lymphatics in the back of the nose that must drain the brain. So if you're tight in this area, you're not flowing, then your nasal area is going to back up. So if you have nasal stuffiness, then your brain may not be flowing as well. So join us tonight. It's the Lymphatic System Health Mastery Facebook group, or you could be on Zoom and join us. But I also want to talk about my $67 course. It's the Dynamic Lymph Brain Detox, Conquer Anxiety and Brain Fog. But trust me, it really begins to help most health problems, because when we activate the lymphatic system in here and in our Dynamic Lymph Brain Detox course, I teach you how to use diet, basic supplements, exercises, and how to use your hands to drain above the shoulders in our neck, face, head, even inside your mouth. And you're going to feel circulation in your brain. So make sure you're joining us tonight. I'm going to talk all about the course. It starts this Monday, and you can go in our About section, the link tree, and learn more about our course and our live tonight. Hopefully you'll gain some control over your anxiety, because it really is something that can be controlled to where you don't even feel you have it. And that's my goal, to show you how you can control anxiety and don't even really realize you have it. All right, have a great day. Let me know if this makes sense to you. Hopefully we'll see you tonight.